it's Kathy from I Love to Be Selling. This is my absolute top tip for selling on eBay. And sellers come to me all the time and they're like, Kathy, my sales are slow. Or they'll say, Kathy, I'm just starting to sell on eBay. What can you say to help me? And this is the very, very, very first thing that I always start with to help sellers, whether you're new or whether you're experienced, but your sales are stuck. And this is what I tell them. You need to go on and you need to check your prices. And I can see some of you rolling your eyeballs already, but listen to me, go through this with me, and make sure that you are dotting your I's and crossing your T's. So let's do the example of a New York Yankees, New York, I can't even spell anymore, New York Yankees shirt. Okay, so you're on eBay, you're logged in. It's just like you're shopping, and you can do this on a phone or tablet too. So you're going to search, and you are going to see a bunch of listings. Okay, and let's say you have a New York Yankees shirt. You found one when you were thrifting or at a store, or you've got one that you want to sell. And you will glance at this and you'll go, oh, I've got a long sleeve shirt. It'll sell for 40. Or, oh, I've got a Bronx Tower of Power shirt. It will sell for 22, right? And this is what people forget to do. The upper right-hand corner is the word advanced, and you want to click that. This is called eBay Advanced Search, in case you hear people talk about this, okay? There's a lot of factors to eBay Advanced Search. You can do a lot of different things with it. And what we're going to check is price. It's one thing what an item is listed for. It is quite something else often what it sells for. Now, the eBay Advanced Search data goes back 15 to 30 days. If you want data that goes back further, then you're going to want to grab a more advanced tool like Terrill, which is a paid tool. But eBay Advanced Search is free, so let's work with that. Click Completed, and then you click Search. I did that fast. Let me just make sure you got that. So I click Completed, and then I click Search. My criteria, and you can do different criteria, is just New York Yankees shirt, all words, any order, search. Oops, hang on a sec, did I do completed? I did do completed, okay, good. Now, you look at this and you go, okay, Kathy, so what? The green sold. The black did not sell. So, and this is a professional seller, but let's say it's not, it's a casual seller. It's one thing to list it for $31.99, but will it sell for $31.99? This one sold for $14.99 with free shipping, right? Much less money. $20, and they charge for shipping, so this was about $25. All of these did not sell recently. Okay, this one sold very inexpensively, $3, but this is pre-owned. So do search, do advanced, do completed, because you want to see what sold and what did not sell. So let's say you have one like this New York Yankee baseball shirt, short sleeves, and this sold for $3 with $3.75 shipping, and you're just cleaning out your closet, so you're fine if you only get $3. This is a large, so let's just click on this, and then you're going to click See Original Listing. And the reason I'm doing this is you'll see that something sold, and you want to check size and color. So let's say a large sold, and you have a small, and the small may not sell. The large may only sell. Here's a medium that sold, so it lets me know that Yankee shirts do sell in various prices, but this is a different style. This has Babe Ruth on the front. Vintage shirt, $29, okay? And they're claiming it's a rare print. Then these, for some reason, Cardinals and Angels are showing up in a New York Yankee, but they're giving me, I guess, a variety. These did not sell. So at least for right now, the New York Yankees shirts are sort of a hard sell because I'm not seeing a lot of green. That's what you're looking for. So with that information, I would then need to decide, is it worth listing? Okay. Now, let's say I did a search, advanced search, and all of this is green. It's just like, my goodness, Yankee shirts are on fire. They're all selling. Then fantastic. Then I want to get right to it and be listing that. I'm doing this video in January, so it is not baseball season. I may want to put the item aside and then come back in March and April and see if the item is selling. But you want to check. Then you always want to check size. You want to check color. You want to check condition. Huge mistake a lot of sellers make is they'll see the green, they'll go, yay, it's selling, it's selling. But only the extra large is selling. The medium and the small is not, and you have a medium or small, or vice versa. Black is selling, and what you have is pink or red. So you want to check color. You want to check style. You want to check design. Length of sleeve can matter, and condition. Okay? The other thing you want to check, and this is a more advanced tip, is this one sold for $14.99. Check return policy. This person offered 14-day return. Sometimes the reason the person's item sold is because they have a 14 or a 30-day return policy. 30-day is recommended. And the reason that the other items did not sell is because they did not have a return policy. So you do want to have a return policy. 30-day or better is recommended. And here, ships to United States and many other countries. Again, the reason an item may not sell is because they were not offering international shipping. And the reason an item did sell is because it was offering international shipping. If you're a new seller, you can ship globally. You can do it with what is called eBay shipping, which is you're just printing your labels through eBay shipping. It's gotten much easier to ship internationally. That will absolutely help your item to sell. If you're a little nervous about international shipping, you can enroll in what is called eBay's Global Shipping Program. And then all you're doing is shipping to Kentucky, and eBay will ship the item internationally for you. So you want to check size, you want to check color, you want to check condition, look at the detail of the item. Is it embroidered? Is it long sleeve, short sleeve? What's the pattern? Because that impacts sales. Then you want to check return policy, and you want to check if the item shipped internationally. All of these impact sales. The more that you offer international shipping, great return policy, the more likelihood you are to get a good price on your item. So that is my tip for you. Use eBay's advanced search. It is a wealth of information. It is free. Now, if you're on a phone or tablet, you would search the item. And then when you search, in the right-hand side, you will see in blue in little tiny writing, filter. You will click the word filter. And when you do, very much like the tabs that are available to you in eBay's advanced search, you'll see a tab for completed, and you will tag that. Okay? So get listing and doing this research, 5 minutes or less if it's an item that's under $30, $40. If you're new, it'll take you a little bit longer. More experienced, whip through this quickly. You don't want your, an entire hour to go through researching for an item that's only $20 or $25. So get to it. If this has been helpful for you, leave a comment below. Feel free to share this with your friends. Help them, because this is a great way to kick up your sales, to get it going. And if you're brand new, welcome. This is a great way to know how to price your item. Again, it's not what it's listed for on eBay, because a lot of times we'll jump on, we'll go, oh, look at this, it's $50, $60, but it didn't sell for $50 or $60. And eBay Advanced Search will let you know what price there's a good shot that you can get. Okay? So enjoy this, share it with your friends. Leave a comment below. I love hearing from you all. And I'm Kathy, and I love to be selling. Bye-bye.